Hey guys, welcome back to Exam Focus. Have you ever wondered about the deeper meaning of Shiva's cosmic dance? The Nataraj icon is more than just a beautiful sculpture. It represents the rhythm of the universe, the cycle of creation and destruction, and the ultimate path to enlightenment. Stay with me as we decode the hidden symbolism of Shiva Nataraj. So let's head to the topic. Shiva Nataraj, also known as the Lord of Dance, is a powerful and symbolic representation of Lord Shiva in Hindu iconography. This image depicts him performing the Ananda Tandav, dance of bliss, symbolizing the cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction. The Nataraj iconography is deeply rooted in Hindu philosophy and represents the cosmic forces governing the universe. Let's explore the 14 significant elements of Shiva Nataraj and their deep symbolism. 1. Dancing posture, Tandav, symbolizing the eternal cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction. 2. Right foot on Apsamara, crushing the demon of ignorance and ego, showing the victory of knowledge. 3. Raised left foot represents liberation, moksha, and divine grace. 4. Upper right hand, holding Damru, the cosmic drum, signifying the rhythm of creation and time. 5. Upper left hand, holding Agni, the fire of destruction, symbolizing transformation and renewal. 6. Lower right hand, Abhay Mudra, gesture of fearlessness, granting protection to devotees. 7. Lower left hand, Gajastha Mudra, points towards the raised foot, guiding towards spiritual liberation. 8. Prabha Mandala, circle of flames, represents the cosmic cycle of life, death, and rebirth. 9. Matted locks, Jata, symbolizing asceticism and divine energy flowing through Shiva. 10. River Ganga in his hair, sign of purity and the flow of wisdom into the world. 11. Crescent moon on the head represents time and the waxing-waning cycle of nature. 12. Third eye, symbol of supreme wisdom and destruction of evil. 13. Cobra around the neck, signifying control over fear, death, and desires. 14. The dwarf demon, Apsamara, represents ignorance and illusion, which Shiva destroys with his dance. Each of these elements carries a profound meaning, making the Nataraj icon not just an artistic marvel, but a spiritual and philosophical masterpiece. Let's discuss the main elements and their symbolism. 1. Dancing posture, Tandav. Shiva performs the cosmic dance, representing the rhythmic cycle of birth, life, and death. His right foot is placed on Apsamara, the demon of ignorance, symbolizing victory over ignorance and ego. His left leg is raised, symbolizing liberation, moksha. 2. Damru, drum, in the upper right hand, represents the sound of creation, Nad Brahma, and the origin of time. It signifies the continuous process of creation in the universe. 3. Agni, fire, in the upper left hand, symbolize destruction, transformation, and purification. Fire is a force that removes ignorance and prepares for renewal. 4. Abhay Mudra, gesture of fearlessness, in the lower right hand, signifies protection, reassurance, and divine blessings. 5. Gajastha Mudra, lower left hand pointing to the raised foot, represents salvation and enlightenment. 6. The circle of flames, Prabha Mandala, symbolize the universe and the eternal cycle of creation and destruction, represents the never-ending cycle of time. 7. Third eye, represents divine knowledge and wisdom, symbolize Shiva's ability to perceive beyond the physical world. 8. Cobra around the neck, represents Shiva's control over death and the material world, symbolize spiritual awakening, Kundalini energy. 9. Crescent moon on the head, represents time and the cyclic nature of existence, also symbolize Shiva's calm and meditative nature. 10. River Ganga flowing from Shiva's hair, symbolize purity, and the divine flow of knowledge and consciousness. Represents life-giving energy. Significance of Shiva Nataraj represents cosmic balance. The dance signifies the eternal balance between creation, preservation, and destruction. Spiritual enlightenment symbolize liberation from material attachments and ignorance. Philosophical meaning encourages self-realization, discipline, and surrender to the divine. Scientific connection. The dance of Nataraj is often compared to the subatomic dance of particles, linking it to modern physics. So in conclusion, the Nataraj iconography is a profound representation of Hindu philosophy, symbolizing the cosmic cycle of existence. It serves as a reminder that everything in the universe is in motion, and true liberation lies in embracing the divine dance. That's all for today. I hope you like it. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit the bell icon to never miss a video.